In order to copy things vertically in a specified increment, we have a couple of different options. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw out a circle on here, and we'll just go ahead and make this into a planar surface. We'll change our shaded viewport to show this guy, and then we'll go into our perspective view. So basically what I want to do here is copy a bunch of these at a given increment to make a stack of these disk shapes. So the first thing we can do is if we go ahead and highlight this, we can go into our copy command, and you'll see up here in the toolbar there's an option for vertical equals no. So what vertical will do is if we change it to yes, it will only allow us to move this object vertically in our viewport. And vertical is basically determined as a perpendicular to your C-plane. So here what we can do now is if we've grabbed this and we've selected vertical equals yes, we can go ahead and type an increment into our toolbar. So here let's just say we do, if we do 2, so we can hit enter and that will copy one there, and then we do 4, and then 6, and 8, and so on. So that will make copies of them vertically. So you can basically go in and type individually how many you want to appear. Another option for copying vertically is if we select this and we turn our gumball on, we can actually, if we're holding Alt and we click on this blue and we again type 2, that will create a copy. So normally just holding this, and if we're not holding Alt and we just move that up 2, it won't make a copy. But similar to your commands in Illustrator or other programs like that, if you hold Alt first and then click, you can type an increment and it will actually make a copy. The third way is going to be to use an array. So if we select this and we type array, it's going to ask us first for the number that we want in the X direction. We're going to just say 1. Number in the Y direction, also 1. And let's say we want 5 of these to go in the Z direction. Now it's going to ask us for Z spacing. So we'll say 2. Press enter to accept, and that will make an array of objects that are all you're able to move around discretely now. So there's 2 major ways to do this. I'm sure there's more than that, but I would use copy with a vertical component selected as yes, or to do an array.